Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to introduce the use of the radical 01, 03, and 04. If you are using array 30 in your keyboard, they all belong to letter P. Okay, let's begin with 01. 0 is for mouth and 1 horizontal line. The first character left side we have 01. Continue right side we have 7 lit and 1 horizontal line. 7 1 for the right side here. Next one we have 0 1 for the frame, and we have 2 vertical line in the middle, which is 3. Okay, continue left side. We have 1 horizontal line for the first stroke, and the rest on left side is 0 1. Begins with 0 mouth and end with 1 in the middle horizontal line. 0 1. And right side we have 5 1, 5 clockwise curve and 1 horizontal line. The last stroke is 2 counterclockwise curve. Continue, we have hey, upper and lower. Upper is 0 1, begins with mouth 0, and the last stroke for upper is 1 horizontal line. And for dots, bottom is fire. Fire is 8 8, 2 dots 2 dots, 8 8 here. Continue, we begin with 0 1, and the rest we have 2 counterclockwise curve and 9 slash 2 9 here. Next one we have left upper, we have 0 1, and continue we have 0 mouth. Then we write 3 vertical line in the middle. Alright, we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is right side. We have 9 8, 9 slash 8 backslash. Okay. Next one. Upper looks like 0 1, but actually it's a lit, but we put it here. So still we press 0 1. And lower we have 7 mu here. Okay, that's all for 0 1. Let's go to 0 3. 0 for mouth and 3 vertical line. Let's take a look. This one we have 7 lit for upper. In the middle we have 0 3. 0 mouth, 3 vertical line. And the rest is 9 8. 9 slash and 8 for 2 dots right side. 9 8 here. Okay, next 0 4. First one is 10, 0 mouth for the frame and cross in the middle, 0 4. And the rest, these 4 are mouth that have other radicals inside the mouth, is also 0 4. So like this one, you're not going to type 0, you type 0 4. In the middle we have 1 8, 1 horizontal line, 8 for person. Okay. Next one still, you're not going to type 2 0 because the frame outside with radical inside is 0 4. And then you type the mouth in the middle, 0. Continue. The first stroke is 1 horizontal line. And continue, we have 9 slash. And we have a mouth with radicals inside. we press 0, 4. And the radical inside is 3, 1. 3 vertical line and 1 horizontal line. 3, 1. Okay. Next, first stroke 9 slash. And we have 0, 4. In the middle, we have 9 slash. Okay, we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is 5. Clockwise curve. Alright, that's all for 0, 1, 0, 3, and 0, 4 in array input method. If you are using array 30 in your keyboard, they all belong to letter P. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.